Everyone, welcome you all in the revision of chapter 5, applying formatting effect. So student, first of all, let's again start with the step how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. You should start Microsoft PowerPoint from the start button. Okay, click on the start button, then go to all programs, and in the all program just go to the Microsoft Office. As you click on the Microsoft Office, your Microsoft Office PowerPoint will open in front of you. Okay, as Microsoft Office PowerPoint opens, then what you have to do, you can create your presentation according to your topic. Okay, so today I am explaining you applying formatting effects. We are revising this chapter. Actually it is already explained in 2-3 videos. 3 videos I have just uploaded for you related to this chapter, and today we are going to learn about theoretical part and some practical part about it. Okay, some shortcut keys you are going to do with this video. Okay, so I am taking it in a slideshow. How to take a slideshow? Go to the slideshow option and from the beginning. Okay, this is your chapter 5, applying formatting effect. So these are the questions that you all need to do with me. Text can be entered in a table by clicking on the desired cell. Think about it. These can be what? These can be entered. These can the text can be entered. Yes, text can be entered by clicking on the desired cell. Yes, it is true. Slide master button is available on insert tab. Is it available? Let's go to the window. Okay, we will come up with proof. So it was saying in a insert menu. Is it an insert menu? No, it is not an insert menu. So where it is? It is in your view. Okay, it is in your view tab. That question is false. This question is false. Okay, this will be false. False. Okay, student, this will be false. Clear to everyone? So slide master button is available is where? It is available in the view tab in the presentation views group. Okay, presentation views group of the view tab. Okay, student, next question is line chart displays data in the form of line. Yes, it is. It shows the data in the form of line. It's correct. So it will be true. Okay, clear to everyone? It will be true. It will be true. When you insert a chart, the data is also displayed in a special window called data sheet. Yes, I've shown you earlier also. Let's take a one new slide and then I will show you when we insert a chart. For example, column chart I am taking. As we insert a chart, a new window comes up with it. That is called data sheet window. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Next question is what? Line spacing feature is available to move a paragraph to a first line. Okay, so with the help of line spacing, आप पैराग्राफ और द फर्स्ट लाइन, यस, आप पैराग्राफ को मूव नहीं, आप पैराग्राफ की लाइंस के बीच में जो स्पेस है उसके लिए लाइन स्पेसिंग फीचर होता है. सो दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट. लाइन स्पेसिंग इज अ फीचर टू मेक डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लाइन्स. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Okay, so now these are the shortcut keys that you all need to do. Think about it. You all have to do these shortcut keys in your notebook. सबको अपनी notebook में ये shortcut keys करनी है बेटा. Okay, these you all need to do these shortcut keys in your notebook. Okay, so this control and T keys. So control and T keys are for font dialog box. Okay, this is for font. Okay, this is for font. Okay, this is for font. So let's do this. I am pressing Ctrl and T keys together. See, your font dialog box appears in front of you. Is it easily visible to everyone? Okay, so this key helpful to open font dialog box. Okay, so to open font dialog box you have to write full. Okay, to open font dialog box. Font dialog box. Okay, and what about this key? Control, Shift and this arrow key. Okay, this arrow key is for increasing the font size. Okay, increasing the font size. For example, I want to increase this font size. So I will do Control, Shift and this keys together. See, size is increasing. And for decreasing, Control, Shift and this arrow keys. Control, Shift and this for decreasing. Increasing, forward. Decreasing, backward key. Okay. Clear to everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. So increasing the font size. Increasing the font size. Font size. Wait a minute. Double F is typed. And for decreasing. Okay. Decreasing the font size. Okay. Control plus P. Control and P keys together. What it does? It opens the print dialog box for printing the file. Okay. Printing present PPT. Okay. Or open the, and what is the use of Control and B keys that I have already given you for to write in a notebook, and again you can write. Okay. For making your text bold, Control and B keys together. For making your text bold. Okay, I am writing something. This is already in bold form. So if I will press Control and B, it will unbold and it is bold. Okay. And for making your text italic, Control and I keys together. See, it is converted into italic form. Okay, this is for italic. And this is for to bold the text. And for underline, so let's select the text first. I want to underline this text. Control and U keys together. See, your text is underlined. Your text is underlined. Okay. So this is for underlining the text. Underlining the text. The text. Control and L keys together. What is the use of Control and L keys together? See, Control and L keys. Wait a minute. For aligning left, this is the alignment. For aligning left, okay, it is already left. So, for example, I am writing something here. Just like I am just making it center line first. This is center line. For aligning the left, we will press Control and L keys together. It will be left align. And for center align, we need to press Control and E keys together. This is center aligned. And for right, this is called Control and R keys together. For right align. Okay, student. So I hope you all have learned these shortcut keys. Okay, so I have shown you practically also. What is placeholder? Placeholder two types. One is slide title placeholder. It is the first placeholder which contain the title of page. Page का जो title होता है वो आपके title placeholder में होता है. Okay, you can move the title placeholder to anywhere on the slide. आपकी कहीं भी आप टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर को प्लेस कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज योर टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर. सो आई कैन मूव इट एनीवेयर. सी, आई कैन मूव इट एनीवेयर. ओके, सो आई कैन मूव इट एनीवेयर. Okay, this is all you can do. You can move your placeholder to anywhere. Okay, there is the adjustment lines where you can adjust your placeholder. Okay, clear to everyone? Next is your, 4 types of charts are there in your your PowerPoint. Okay, in your syllabus so many types of chart are also there. So we will learn about 4 types of chart. We already learned about the 4 types of chart only. Okay, what are charts? Charts are the effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Okay, charts make it easier to show comparison and growth. Okay, एंड रिलेशनशिप अमंग द वैल्यूज़ के बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप है उसको शो करने के लिए. Whenever I already explained you, whenever you insert any chart, a data sheet also comes with it. That is called data sheet window. Okay, a special window comes with it. That is called data sheet window. Okay, so component of chart I have explained you earlier also how to format it. You know, student, you can also format its plotting area, its your value axis, data series. Okay, let me just format for you. Just we have to click on the chart area. Okay, format the chart area. I'm just putting the yellow color in it for making you explain. Okay, now I'm formatting the plot area and I'm putting some color in it. For example, I'm putting the green color in it. Not green color, it's not looking good. I will put some other color. Okay, close. So this is how you can see your chart. Let me show you now. Again, I'm explaining you. I have explained you in Zoom class also. Okay, so this is your class chart area. This is the background. The yellow color area is called your chart area. The area where all the plottings are there, all the data series are there, is called plotting area. Okay, these are called data series. Okay, this is called plotting area. This color belongs to plotting area and yellow color belongs to, it means the area that is covered by yellow color belongs to chart area, and the pinkish color area belongs to your plot area. Okay, so what are the category axis? This horizontal area is called your category axis. Okay, and the vertical area is called your value axis. Horizontal axis also called your category axis is also called x axis, and this axis is called your y axis. Okay, and these are the category names: 6A, 6B, 6C, 80, 100. Yes, these are called category name. Okay, the names in the category axis and value axis are called category names. Okay, and these are the legend that shows the which color represent to what. Okay, so these are called legends. So is it clear to everyone? What are these? These are called legends. Okay, so this is how you can modify your chart. Okay, let me show you more formattings. As you click on this, then your design tool for the chart will open, and here are some themes available. So you can apply any of the theme. For example, this type of theme you can apply. Okay, these are the built-in themes that you can apply in your chart. Okay, just like as we applied on table also. So similarly you can apply here. These are the chart layout also there. In which type of layouts you want to show your chart. These are the layouts. Okay, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 layouts are there. There are 11 layouts. So you can choose any layout. You can have layout like this also. आपके numbers हैं वो, these will not display like this, these will display like this. So these are also the layouts. Okay, different types of layouts are available here. Just like this, you can see numbers will be like this, and it will show you the marks also. Okay, so this is a very good layout. So it depends on you कि in which type you want to show the data. It depends on you, student. Okay, just like this, first, second, third. Okay, you can just like this also. Okay, and you can have one more layout like this, okay, which is showing data like this, okay, and one more is this one is last one, okay. So these are the layouts in which you can save your presentation, okay, presentation or chart in presentation. Also let me show you other charts also. This is your line chart. This is basically for just like have you watched the cricket match? In cricket match, the how many balls are there, how many runs are going on, these type of things are represented by the line chart. So line chart, the date, it depends on the data ki which type of chart you are using, okay. So it is I hope you all have watched the match, cricket match. Their data is shown in the growth of their balls and runs are shown with the help of line chart, okay. And I hope you all are aware about the pie chart. Pie chart you have watched in your SST book, in your maths book, the percentage type of area chart. This is a percentage type of chart, okay. Just like how many percent of different gases available in air. So 20%, 21% oxygen, 72% nitrogen, like this. These type of data is represented with the help of pie chart, okay. These type of data is represented with the help of pie chart, okay. So student, everyone will do this, okay. I am going to make one video with mobile and I will send video in today's, it means on Tuesday's turn, okay. On Tuesday you will get a video of your mobile in your mobile also. With this video you will definitely get a how to make a PowerPoint presentation in mobile. So there I will show you. So whatever the things are available, whatever the facilities are available in that window, in that PowerPoint presentation software in your mobile, we will apply those all things and everyone will make one PowerPoint presentation as a practical activity, okay. So thank you everyone, that's all. One of the most last your chart is your bar chart. Bar chart is similar to column chart, but its orientation is always in a horizontal way, okay. Its bars are showing in a horizontal way, okay. So that's all in revision. You all watched the previous 3 videos. This is only a revision, and I'm going to upload a video how to create a file in mobile, okay. How to create PowerPoint presentation in mobile with this video. Thank you everyone.